Hello everyone. As we have discussed about the primary consolidation in our previous lecture, based on the primary consolidation or after the primary consolidation, we get two types of soils. Okay, so here I can talk about two types of soil. First is your normally consolidated clay soil. In the short, we can call it NCC soil. NCC soil. Okay, and the second type of soil that we obtained is over consolidated clay soil. In the short, you can call OCC soil. Okay, one thing you people should observe, I have not mentioned normal consolidated sandy soil or normally consolidated gravelly soil. I have not mentioned over consolidated sandy soil or over consolidated gravelly soil. Means this consolidation occurs only in the case of clay. We are interested only for clay soil, not for sand, not for gravel. We are interested only in very fine grain soil, that is clay soil. Getting my point? And sometimes in silt also, but especially we can talk about the clay soil only. That's why we are talking about normally consolidated clay soil over consolidated clay soil. What is the reason, sir? Why we are not interested in sand or gravel? The reason I will explain in the next video. Okay, right now talk about NCC, talk about OCC. Here we can see, if I talk about NCC, suppose we have one ground something like this. I am talking about the history of the ground, one plot we have. So I can write in past. This is the history actually. In the past, we have one building of 2 floors, something like this, 2 or 3 floors, something like this, very small building in the past. But because of some reason, the building is collapsed and a new building is constructed. Maybe suppose a big earthquake came and this building is collapsed. Now it is no more useful, so we have totally removed the building and now we have constructed a big building, a very big building. Suppose we have constructed. Of course, this time the applied load and the pressure by the building on the soil will be higher. So this is the present condition of your soil. So in the past, if I talk about the history of this location of this soil, so in the past it was subjected to less amount of load, less amount of effective stress. But in the present condition, it is subjected to higher amount of load. So this type of soil is called normally consolidated clay soil, which was subjected to the less effective stress in the past but higher effective stress in the present. So you understand one thing, this normally consolidated is, I have given the name normally consolidated, means in the past under this additional load of this structure, this soil gets consolidated. So because of a small load, a small settlement is there, normally consolidated. But this time when I prepared big building, because of this big building, the settlement will be more. The soil is compressible because in the past a small load was acting. All the voids are not broken. So soil is loose. So when you apply the big load, then definitely large settlement will occur. So about this NCC soil I want to write. Okay, and picture is clear to me. Let me write about this soil. NCC soil is that soil which is subjected to the effective stress, which is subjected to the effective stress in the present condition NCC soil is that soil which is subjected to the effective stress in the present condition is greater than the effective stresses of the past condition. Effective stress of the past condition. So such type of soils are called NCC soils. About NCC soils, if you want, I want to write some more important points. These soils are more compressible. And show large settlement because they are compressible. Large settlement. Okay. So this is the meaning of your normally consolidated clay soil. You can write down the name of this topic, difference between NCC and OCC. If you want, I can write the name of the topic, difference between NCC and OCC. Clear? Now NCC is clear to me. Let's talk about OCC, over consolidated clay soil. Over consolidated clay soil, in the short we can call OCC soil, just opposite behavior of the NCC. You know, suppose we have one plot or one ground where at this, if I talk about the history of this soil, this soil was subjected to very high load, means subjected to a large building or subjected to a very high effective stress in the past, in the history. But if I talk about it's a present condition, so what happens, because of some reasons, or maybe a big earthquake came and this building is collapsed. Now this location is vulnerable for earthquake, so people suggested me, good engineers suggested me, don't construct this much big building, construct a small building. Okay, I constructed a small building, something like this. I constructed very small building. So one thing we people should understand, in the history of this soil, the soil was subjected to very high amount of pressure, very high amount of effective stress. But in the present condition, it is subjected to very less amount of pressure, very less amount of stress. Such soils are called over consolidated clay soils, over consolidated soils. Why? Because in the history only they are well consolidated, they are well settled, under this high amount of load. That's why they are called over consolidated. But here if you see in the history, they are subjected to a small pressure, less value of pressure. So they are called normally consolidated. So normally and over. Now NCC and OCC are defined based on their history of stresses, not based on the basis of present condition. If they are subjected to high pressure in the history and less pressure in the present, then over consolidated. Otherwise this one, NCC. So one thing people should understand, when your soil has already taken this much big weight of this much big building, then it is already well consolidated. So when I construct a very small building, this time the settlement of the soil will be very less. Are you getting my point? Under this high weight, already soil is well consolidated, over consolidated. So when I prepare a very small building, the settlement will be very less. So such soils are called OCC soils and they are less compressible, whereas NCC are more compressible. NCCs are more compressible, OCC are less compressible. So here I can write the definition first. The definition is OCC soil is that soil which is subjected to the effective stress in the present condition is less than the effective stress of the past condition, is less than the effective stress of the past condition. Clear? So this is the meaning of your OCC soil. Since already they are well consolidated under higher pressure, so I can write here, these soils are less compressible. OCC soils are less compressible and show very less settlement. Okay, so this is the basic difference between NCC soil and OCC soil. Here there should be a common parameter to differentiate NCC and OCC. Okay, there should be a common parameter which can differentiate. There should be one numerical value, otherwise how will you differentiate? So there should be one numerical parameter on the basis of which we can differentiate, okay, such soil is NCC or such soil is OCC. Okay, so that parameter is known as over consolidation ratio. So here we are interested in estimating over consolidation ratio. So here I can write over consolidation ratio. So if you ask me the definition of over consolidation ratio, I can write it is defined as the ratio of effective stress in the past and to the effective stress in the present, to the effective stress in present. So if you take the ratio of effective stresses which is occurring in the past and occurring in the present, that ratio is called over consolidation ratio. In the short I will write OCR. So somewhere, suppose if I am writing OCR, then it is clear to you, it means over consolidation ratio. Somewhere I am writing suppose NCC, it means I am writing I am talking about normal consolidated clay soil. Somewhere suppose I am writing OCC, means it implies over consolidated clay soil. So here if you ask me to write the formula, so OCR, over consolidation ratio, is equal to, here I can write effective stress, here also I can write effective stress, here effective stress in past and here the effective stress in present. Okay, so this ratio is here over consolidation ratio, denoted by OCR. Now based on the magnitude values of this OCR, we can define the type of soil. See here, if I am writing OCR is less than or equal to 1, suppose it is less than 1, first understand it is less than 1, then what will happen? If it is less than 1 means OCR is less than 1 means effective stress in the present is higher and effective stress in the past is less. Means in the present condition we have big building, in the past we have small building. That means it is NCC soil, that only we have discussed. In the present condition we have higher effective stress. You can see here we have higher effective stresses in the soil, and in the past we have less effective stresses. So definitely if you are getting OCR is less than 1, that means your type of soil is NCC. So here NCC OCR is less than 1, then definitely it will be your NCC soil. Clear? Now if I say if your OCR is greater than 1, then of course greater than 1 means effective stress in the past is very high as compared to effective stress in the present. Of course it will be your OCC soil, because in OCC soil you can observe in the past we have higher effective stresses, because there was a big building. Now there is a small loading on the soil system, so we have less effective stresses. So here I can write we have OCR greater than 1 in the case of OCC soil. Now you people should ask me, sir, if it is less than 1 we have NCC, if it is equal to if it is greater than 1 then it will be if it is less than 1 it is NCC, if it is greater than 1 it will be OCC. Sir, if it is equal to 1 then will it be NCC or OCC? So I suggest when it is exactly equal to 1 then it shall be considered NCC. Okay, so if your OCR is less than or equal to 1 then it will be your NCC soil only, always. Fine. Now suppose if you are getting OCC, suppose 10, 12, 15, something very big value you are getting. So if your OCC is big or very large than 1, if it is larger than 1 then I can say this soil, of course this is OCC, but highly over consolidated, very stiff soil. So I can say highly over consolidated. Actually it is OCC only, but highly. So highly over consolidated clay soil. Okay, so these are the different types of soil that we have seen on the basis of OCR, find over consolidation ratios. So this OCR is less than 1 indicates, if it is very less, OCR is very less, means it indicates loose soil, compressible soil, settlement will be more. If OCR is 1 greater than 1, definitely OCC soil, it has some stiffness, it has some degree of firmness, it has some denseness because it is already well consolidated in the past. If OCR is very high, greater than 1, right, greater than 1 means some 7, 8, 10, some value are getting, very high value. In that case, it is highly over consolidated, it is very less compressible. Okay, so compressibility of the soil is inversely proportional to over consolidation ratio. If the over consolidation ratio is very high, the compressibility of the soil will be very less. It will not compress because it is already well consolidated. Okay, and suppose for a given soil sample OCR is less, then the soil will be compressible. Okay, so this is the basic fundamental things that we have discussed in this lecture. We have discussed about NCC soil first, then we have discussed about OCC soil, then we have discussed over consolidation ratio, and this basic difference between NCC and OCC we have discussed. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.